the biggest secret in the industry is that, you've got these credit cards out there. And I always ask, have you been able to get a hold of the actual policy? Because if you can't get a hold of the actual policy, what good is the actual insurance? With TravelX, we really want you to know that we are very upfront with what's covered and what's not covered. What I have found with credit cards across the board is that you can't really get into the details. Yeah, they might tell you that you have some type of medical. What exactly does that mean? Is it primary? Is it secondary? You always want a primary medical when you're leaving the United States. We're going to go into that a little bit later on in the presentation. But again, it's really important to understand what are the details of the actual policy. With our Travel Select policy, for example, we've got 24 reasons for cancellation and interruption across the board, where you probably don't have any idea what is in your Amex and what you could cancel for across the board, or what type of medical coverage you have, where we've got $500,000 in medical evacuation just in the Travel Select, where Travel Basic might have $100,000, where we want to make sure your customer is covered across the board. Again, travel insurance, it's really important.
You're the first payer, rather than your credit card. Just to loop back to that, your credit card would not be a first payer. That coverage you think you have, you don't necessarily have, or even your secondary insurance through the cruise line, that might also not be a first payer, but certainly TravelX.
Correct. You got it. The terms and conditions can always change. And for full policy details, you can always either go to your website and click on the link, or they can go to my website and they can actually go to the policy details to see all of the policy details.